Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of took too much space on the application of Tinder. You will go to settings. Here in this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Tinder and you can click here. Then this page of app info you will click on first stop and you can click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you can click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.